So guys, I mined cryptocurrency for a full week on a platform called MinerGate. So what are my results? Find out in this video. So before I show you guys my results, I just want to let you guys know to subscribe. If you are part of the 83.6% of people who are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, click that little bell notification, and follow my Instagram and Twitter in the description. So I thought it would be a cool experiment to start mining cryptocurrency and see how much I could accumulate in a week and convert that to US dollars to see if I could make some Lamborghini and Ferrari money. So with that being said, let's get right into the results. So I have the rig set up in this side of the room, and as you guys can see, I have the program open right here. Very simple, very clean user interface, but I'm not really talking about that in this video. In the time that I mined, I actually mined XMR because MinerGate has this thing where it will determine which cryptocurrency is the most profitable for mining right now, and it will decide what to mine based off of that. In a week of mining, I made this much Monero, and that's what I was mining is Monero, and the symbol for that is XMR. So as you guys can see, I made 0.05 XMR, and that might seem like a decent amount if you're mining Bitcoin or something like that, but let's go to a cryptocurrency converter. So as you guys can see, 0.005 XMR is equivalent to about 30 cents in US dollars. So did I make Lamborghini and Ferrari money? Almost. I could almost buy a Ferrari with 30 cents. Anyways guys, I made about 30 cents off of mining the most profitable cryptocurrency off of a pretty decent computer for a week. Now, is it worth you doing? Probably not. So as you guys saw, my results weren't really as planned. I did not make Lamborghini and Ferrari money, but it was a fun experiment nonetheless. Is it a practical thing for you to do? Probably not. I was mining the most profitable cryptocurrency and I only made 30 cents. But maybe if you have a better rig, maybe give it a shot. But if you take into account electricity costs and the wear and tear it puts on your system, it just doesn't seem worth it for any normal person like you or me. If you guys are interested in me trying some more experiments like mining Bitcoin or trading Bitcoin, then please leave a like on this video and I will see you guys in the next one.